here, live from a blizzard. Make sure to stay inside and keep yourself warm. Now over to Jesse to explain the cause. This blizzard was caused by loss of moisture.
Hi, my name is Jacob. The effects of the blizzard will be horrifying. There will be frostbite and death. Try to stay in your car to keep warm, and turn the radio on in case the blizzard will.
Do you know how to stay safe in a blizzard? I'm here to give you some tips. Most importantly, make sure to stay inside. But if you get trapped outside, build a snow cave to protect you from the strong winds. If you have to go outside, wear a scarf to protect your lungs. If you are driving, use snow tires so you don't slip on the ice. Now over to Nick for some fun facts about blizzards.
Here are some fun facts about blizzards. Frostbite is damage to body tissue caused by that tissue being frozen. A blizzard is a severe winter storm that packs a combination of snow and wind that causes low visibility. And last but not least, do not eat snow. It will lower your body temperature.